Hello, my main floor AC was not working. It was giving six flashes, which says pressure switch cycle lockout. So I checked a couple of YouTube videos. Okay, this is power pressure switch. Yeah, many suggested that would be wrong, but yeah, many suggested that lockout is not the reason. There must be some other fault by which it's locking out. So yeah, someone suggested to check any water leakage. Yeah, I had little water leakage over here. So if you can see, there was a little water leakage over there coming from this tube. So yeah, following the suggestions, I plan to remove this whole fan thingy here, the one which gets air from the outlet, like it's getting air from outside, it's going up to the roof. So this is supposed to get the air from out and send it to furnace. So like someone suggested to check this one. So when I pulled this pipe and saw there was water leaking, so I drained the water and there was some clogging too here, some white stuff, I don't know what is it. So I took out these two plugs and unscrewed this and took this out, and I just moved the switch away so that I could pull it out, and there was water in here. There was around some 4 ounces water into this, and yeah, once I drained that and then cleaned it up and connected it back again, everything started working fine. So I will add some more pictures and video clips at the end of the videos which shows what exactly I did, because sorry, I could not record it while I was doing it, or I can't do such video. So the sound of this motor was a bit different before. I could see it was struggling, or it was having it was making a lot of sound before, and once I put it back, I drained the water, the sound has changed, it has come down. So that can be indicated for you. But yeah, when I had the 6 flashes, I switched off the system for some time and started again, and then yeah, it started and went for a few minutes, and then same switch, it came back to same state again. It stopped with 6 flashes. But yeah, before that came back, it worked for some time. At that sometime I could listen the sound of this motor, which was a bit odd. It was doing a bit more sound than usual than the other unit I have here. So that sound made me doubt this is the one which has the issue. But yeah, once you look at the clips we have at the end of this video, that would give you a better idea of how to or what to do with your system or your issue.